Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be on this Valentine's Day look. I did some glitter eyeliner, and I also used the matte book from the Crayon case, so make sure you guys stay tuned to see how I achieve this look. I'm so sorry that the heat is always blowing while I'm recording. This is what you hear in the background, but my first color is coming from the matte book, which is by the Crayon case. That looks like this. And the first color I'm going to take is this brown right here, and I think I added a little bit of this one, so these two. Okay, so now I'm going to add the second brown that has more like a reddish undertone. Now I'm going to pick up this pink right here. So I'm going to take just a little bit of this dark brown right here from the 39.8 palette, just because the one in the matte book is a little bit too dark and I want to deepen my crease a little bit, so I'm going to grab this one. Oh, and by the way, y'all saw me prime my eyelid because like y'all don't usually see me use an eyelid primer, but I use one today because for some reason when I use like nudes or like whites, my eyelid creases and I have no idea why, but that's why I use the actual eyelid primer today. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut my crease. I'm doing a full cut crease today. I think it's my first time doing one on my channel. I'm not sure. I'm not really that good at them, so hopefully it turns out good enough. I had to do that off camera, and I feel like I made it too thick, but it's okay because I'm going to do the glitter liner. But I'm going to take, hold on. I'm going to take this nude shade. I'm going to put that all over my eyelid. So I'm going to take my NYX white shadow base that I don't like, as you guys already know. If you're not new to my channel, if you are, go ahead and subscribe if you made it this far in the video. But I'm going to take my eyeshadow base and my eyeliner pencil. I mean, it's not a pencil. My eyeliner brush and make a wing. I'm going to pick up the same pink from earlier on an angled brush and just tap that all over the white. And this is going to be a base for our glitter. If you guys have like a small concealer brush, that might be better, because I feel like using this one is so time consuming. Next, I'm going to be using my NYX glitter primer, and I'm going to put that down with the same brush I cut my crease with, which is just a small concealer brush. It's the M213 from Morphe. Alright, you guys, so that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. If so, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and I will see you guys in my next video.